Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had an app on your Mac suddenly freeze, stop responding, or get stuck on a loading screen? Maybe the spinning beach ball keeps appearing and nothing seems to work. Don't worry, in this video I will show you exactly several easy ways to force quit Mac applications on your Mac and get everything working again in just a few seconds. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what force quit actually means. Force quit is a feature on macOS that immediately closes an application that is frozen or not responding. Unlike clicking the regular close button, force quit completely stops the app from running in the background. Keep in mind that if you have unsaved work in that application, you may lose those changes. So only use force quit when an app is truly unresponsive. Let's come to method number 1. The fastest way to force quit an application is using a shortcut keys. Simply press Option plus Command and then press Escape. At the same time, a window called Force Quit application will appear, as you can see on my screen. Here you will see a list of all currently running apps: Google Chrome, MS Excel, Notes, OBS Studio, Preview, and Finder. Okay, now select the app that's frozen or not responding. Let's suppose Preview. Then click on Force Quit. You can see here, click on Force Quit. Then confirm again. Click on Force Quit. The application will immediately close, as you can see here on the Force Quit application. This is the quickest method and works in most solutions. Let's come to method 2. Another simple method is through the Apple menu. Click on this Apple menu here in the left corner. Now scroll down and you can see here Force Quit. The same Force Quit application window will appear, as you can see here. Now choose the app you want to quit and then again click on the Force Quit, then confirm it. Choose the problematic app and find this Force Quit application and select and then click on Force Quit. This method is useful if you prefer using the mouse instead of keyboard shortcuts. Let's come to method 3. If an application is consuming too much memory or CPU, Activity Monitor can help. First, press Command plus Spacebar to open Spotlight Search and search here Activity Monitor. Then press Enter. Now Activity Monitor displays all processes currently running on your Mac. Locate the frozen application in the list, you can see here. Then select it. At the top of the window you can see here this cross button. Just click on cross button after selecting the application. Then you can see here Force Quit. The application will immediately stop running after clicking on Force Quit. Activity Monitor is especially useful when an app does not appear in the standard Force Quit window. Okay, now let's come to method 4. Here's a quick trick many Mac users don't know. Locate the frozen apps icon in the dock. Hold down the Option key. Okay, while holding Option key, right click on the app icon. As you can see here, the Chrome option, hold down the Option key and right click on the app. Now you can see here Force Quit. When I release the Option key, it is only quit, but when I press the Option key, you can see here Force Quit. Then click on it and that's it. As you can see, it is completely quit. The application will instantly close. This method is fast and convenient when the app icon is already visible in your Mac. and on the dock section. Now for advanced user, let's come to the fifth method. For advanced users, you can also force quit apps using terminal. Again, open Spotlight search here. Now you can see here Spotlight search. Now search for terminal. Then press enter. As you can see here. Now to view running processes, type here ps space aux and then press enter. As you can see here. Now find the application process. Then what you have to do, press kill -9 space PID and then press enter. Replace PID with the process ID of the application. This PID. You can see here the process ID here. PID. Let's suppose you want to close this Mac, just use this process ID here. Then press enter. This app will immediately close. Okay, the app will immediately close. This method is typically used by advanced users and developers. What to do after force quitting an app? If an application freezes repeatedly, try these troubleshooting tips. First, restart your Mac. Second, update the application to the latest version. Third, update your Mac OS. Fourth, check available storage space. And fifth, reinstall the problematic app. And sixth, monitor memory and CPU usage using Activity Monitor. These steps can help prevent future crashes and improve system performance. So that's it, and that's how you can force quit apps on your Mac. Whether you use the keyboard shortcut, Apple menu, Activity Monitor, dock or terminal, you have multiple ways to close frozen applications and get back to work quickly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Mac tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.